Nagsalita po ang ating mahal na Secretary John Vic na ang nagplano po rito, o yung pagkaintindi namin, ang nagplano ay kayo, Secretary Anyo, Secretary Gibo Chodoro, at ang pinangalan, ang Chief PNP, General Marbil. Parang apat yung pinangalanan sa isang interview ng ating Secretary ng DILG.
Can I answer that, ma'am?
Yes, please, your record.
The question was, who planned this? I did not state in any way who planned it. The meeting was of executive privilege. It is a conversation between the President, once I mentioned. There was...
So what exactly did you say? Ano sinabi po ninyo?
They asked me...
Pagkaintindi namin, itong apat na pinangalanan, ang siyang nagplano.
Ma'am, we're already invoking executive privilege in this matter.
Yes.
We're invoking executive privilege in this.
Yes, that's fine, but it's in the interview and it's
yes, ma'am. It goes as far as the interview, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'd like to understand. I think your brother was trying to explain what he said in the interview, and I'm happy to hear it.
They asked me if I planned it. I said it was not me. There were other people in the room, but we did not discuss any plans of any arrest.
Saan nanggaling yung mga pangalan na ito?
Ma'am, that again is executive privilege. Ma'am, let me explain, ma'am. Let me explain first, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Let me explain first, ma'am. We were discussing rumors of an impending arrival based
Parang hindi yung ganun ang dating sa amin eh. Ang pagkaintindi
that is the whole truth, ma'am. That is we were discussing rumors. Go ahead, ma'am.
Patugtog na lang natin para maintindihan, ha?
And was that the plan from the very beginning? What was and who was really on top of this? Kayo ho ba? Because during the press conference of the President, it was you and the President.
Yes.
So ikaw ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman, hindi naman. It was a group effort. Secretary Chodoro was there, Secretary Anyo was there too, and the President and I. So, hindi naman ako. Ako lang ang natira last man standing doon sa Malacanang. I stand by that. Kasi Secretary Chodoro was working out of his office sa Camp Aguinaldo.
Yes,
Secretary Anyo, of course, his specialty is intelligence. So he was...
Patayin na muna natin. Pakaliwanag naman ang sabi ninyo, hindi ako mag-isa kahit ako ang kasama ng Presidente nung nagsalita sa press con, hindi ako mag-isa ang nagplano. Isang grupo kami. Tapos pinangalanan mo.
No, ma'am.
Sinabi ninyo eh.
I state, ma'am, again, executive privilege. But, ma'am,
walang executive privilege kasi binunyag na ninyo sa TV.
I must state it very clear, as I stated very clear, that there was no mastermind. We were discussing mainly about what the President's statements were in Hong Kong. And it was based all on that statement, ma'am.
Sinabi ninyo na hindi kayo mag-isa na nagplano, kundi isang
There was
grupo.
no planning, ma'am.
Pero yun ang sabi eh.
I said, hindi ako nagplano.
May isang grupo na nagplano.
We were all talking about a rumor, ma'am. And that was all.
Rumor lang yun?
Yes, ma'am.
Group effort ang sabi mo eh. Ang tanong niya kung ikaw ang nagplano, tapos sabi mo,
there was no planning,
group effort.
There was no planning, ma'am.
Anong in-effort ng group kapag hindi plano?
I think that we're intruding into executive privilege already, ma'am. I think that we please respect
I'm
our...
asking him to explain the media.
Yes, ma'am. But it's already a very thin dividing line between what transpires in a room between cabinet members and a media statement. But there's a very thin dividing line, ma'am.
Understood.
I hope that we can respect executive privilege.
Pero ngayon, sinabi kasi sa TV, paliwanag naman ninyo sa atin kung ano ibig sabihin. Kasi ang sinabi, hindi ako mag-isa na nagplano, may grupo kami.
They asked me if I had planned it. Sabi ko, I did not. I did not plan it. I said we were there. And not to skirt, ma'am, executive privilege. It was mainly because of the statements of the former president in Hong Kong that he said, in his words, ma'am, in Hong Kong, that, I think you have a clip, he said that, ang reading ko ay may ICC warrant of arrest na. That was the best of my recollection, ma'am.
So anong pinag-group effortan? Anong
to discuss the rumor, ma'am.
Grupo na pinangalanan nyo?
As far as I will invoke executive privilege, there was no, you cannot plan on a rumor, ma'am.
Kaya nagtataka ako, bakit group effort? Chismis lang naman yun.
Chismis nga.
Ayun nga, kung chismis, bakit mag-group effort pa? Tapos pinangalanan mo pa lahat na nagpag-group effort?
Maraming marites sa mundon to, ma'am.
Dabis naman yung marites, dami-daming marites sa amin.
It was a discussion of a rumor based on the statement of the president in Hong Kong. Secretary Anyo, of course, his specialty is intelligence, so he was gathering all the information in his source, in his location. So ako lang nasa Malacanang. So he served this role, and the information that he gathered and shared was very reliable. And
such as, or is there anything you can share?
The conversations on whether or not they would go home.
Ibig sabihin, yung mga lawyers po sinasabi kay dating Pangulong Duterte.
Parang gano'n ang lumalabas sa mga sources.
Sources from Secretary Anyo?
Sources ni Secretary Anyo.
Opo. And he relayed that to the core team. So the core team is the President, yourself, Secretary Anyo, Secretary Teodoro, and
the President.
And the